CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast storage types. Solid-state drive. A solid-state drive, or SSD, is a type of local device storage where digital data is stored on non-volatile flash memory chips. SSDs have many benefits when compared to HDDs. First, SSDs are faster. That means they can access and store data at a higher rate. They are also more resistant to physical shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures due to their lack of mechanical components. Additionally, with no moving parts, SSDs can operate silently. While SSDs offer many advantages over traditional HDDs, they are generally more expensive per unit of storage. However, the cost of SSDs has been decreasing over time, making them more affordable and popular for both personal and professional use. The main component of an SSD is NAND flash memory, which is a type of non-volatile memory that can retain data for long periods without the need for power. Access to the NAND flash memory is provided by the SSD controller, which acts as the interface between the computer and the flash memory. The controller manages data read and write operations. The last piece of the puzzle is the cache. To enhance performance, SSDs often incorporate a cache, or high-speed buffer that stores frequently accessed data for quicker retrieval. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.